Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my family's capirotada recipe. So if you want to know how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to get our 6 bolillo breads and just cut them into 1-inch thick slices. So I already have mine. So now we're just going to get our baking sheet and we're just going to butter it. I'm using salted butter, but of course you can always use unsalted. Just make sure that it is at room temperature, so like that it spreads nice and even. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to be placing our pieces of bread into a single layer. Okay, so now we're just going to butter the top of our breads. And here I melted my butter a little. We're just going to brush them. Now we're going to place them in our oven and allow them to toast between 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, and while we wait, we're going to make our piloncillo syrup. To our saucepan, we're going to be adding 4 cups of water, 2 piloncillo cones, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and 4 whole cloves. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and allow the piloncillos to dissolve. Okay, and after 60 minutes, my bread is nice and toasty on both sides. So now we can get ready to make our capirotada. Now, before we put our capirotada together, we're going to remove the cinnamon stick, whole cloves, and star anise from our piloncillo mixture. Make sure that you remove them all because you don't want nobody to choke on none of them. Now we're going to get our baking dish. I'm using a small deep one. I already greased it with a little butter. Going to begin by layering it with our bread. And make sure that it gets fully covered on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to add our piloncillo syrup. And now we're going to get ready to add all of our favorite toppings. And here you add all of your favorite dry fruit, if you want to add cheese, bananas, anything. So I'm adding peanuts, our coconut, adding some almonds. I'm going to be adding some raisins. I'm going to add some grajeas. Fun fact, these are my favorite. So I like to add a good amount. Okay, I'm going to be adding more syrup. Now we're going to layer it with another layer. Okay, and I'm just going to add the rest of the syrup. Just make sure that all of our breads are covered with the syrup. Okay, now we're just going to cover it with the rest of our toppings. Ready, and once we have our capirotada all nicely put together, now we're going to cover it. Okay, we're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, we're going to check on our capirotada. And you just want to make sure that all of the piloncillo syrup has been absorbed. And if it hasn't, then just go ahead and put it back in the oven. But make sure that you keep an eye on it so like that it doesn't burn. Okay, so now you can allow it to cool down. Or if you're like me and like to enjoy it while it's hot, then now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make and you can always customize it, you know, with your favorite nuts or dried fruits. This is honestly one of my favorite desserts to enjoy during this time of year. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's so delicious. And the best thing is that you can enjoy it while it's hot or the next thing you know when it's completely cooled down. Either way, it's the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious capirotada. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.